Hey there folks, John here at Adventure RV in West Fargo, and I have got a 2026 Wolfpack 2514 is the model number. And I'll tell you, it is a great half-ton towable toy hauler. It's got a 14-foot garage in the back. We're just over 30 feet bumper to hitch. 6880 is the dry weight, can't beat that. And it's got a cargo capacity of 4,800 pounds. You can put a lot of stuff in there, still not be overweight. It's 102 inch wide body design, so that's 8.5 feet wide on the inside there. It's got air force heat underbelly, so it's enclosed underbelly, and it had heated tank pads down there, which is cool. You can see here it's got the power tongue jack. It's hiding under this nice cover that they give you, and 200 watt solar on the roof, and the controller is right here. You really don't have to do anything with it, but it gives you a nice readout. So here's some storage under here, and then your power cord, and this little guy right here is for the spray port that I'll show you. It's got an 18-foot awning, so that's nice and big with the LED lights there. It's got an on-demand tankless water heater. We're going to show you some of that stuff. Nice and big right there. Electric stabilizing jacks, so you just push the button and there's a propane port right there. It's got the flip-in steps, the beautiful glass door. It's all fiberglass. Dual axle. If you want to put your TV outside here, it's already prepped for it. One speaker on each end right there. There's a little bit of what I'm going to be showing you. It's even got a leash latch back here for Fido if you got a puppy. And then there's the toy hauler door, and it already comes with a backup camera, works with your phone. There's a little QR code underneath the camera that you can pair up with your phone. You can see the light there. Spare tire in the back. It's got a little crank down spot for that. 30-gallon fuel tank back here. And this is 4 camera prepped. It gives you the one there, and then there's 2 more. There's side camera mounts we're going to show you back there. So that fuel station you got to fill, it's 30 gallons, and then there's like a pump in there, just like a regular gas station pump. A little access door here to get to the D-rings when you're tying stuff down. Your dump station is right there. 50 amp service. So you got plenty of power. There's the on-demand water heater, tankless water heater. That's awesome. That's new this year. And then the spray port, that little blue hose I showed you. Then all your hookups are right there for your water, black tank flush, freshwater fill, cable hookup, satellite hookup separate. And you can see this is prepped for a camera on each side, and then there's another one for the inside. 12 volt shutoff switch right there. There's a spot right here for battery that we're going to put. We're going to fill your propane tanks. And then this is the spot right here. If it had a generator, but you could use it for storage, or you can buy yourself a generator and put it in there. We don't stock it with the generator. It gets to be pretty expensive, and most people just get a portable one. It's like $1,400 versus like $35, $4 grand. So anyway, I think that's everything on the outside. We're gonna go check out the inside now. You can see how nice those mirrored windows look, keeps the sun out. So as you come inside, you can see you got heat ducts right there. All the tie downs in the floor, and those are heavy duty. They're like 2,000 pounds a piece. Your light switches, shows your voltage. There's a little cover on it right now to keep dust off of it, but that glows blue where it says Wolfpack, just like in the pictures. So as we're coming in here, like I said, there's 4 camera prep, so there's the 4th one. You can then this way you can have a camera up there looking at your toy or whatever you got back here, motorcycle, ATV, side by side. This table flips down, comes with 2 stools. That's pretty sweet. Comes with the TV right there. It's got 2 speakers, ducted air throughout, and it has these guys. There's 2 of these max air fans, and if you could see on there, the little rain, basically that little umbrella That tells me that if you have that open and it starts raining, it'll close automatically. So that's pretty sweet. And then you can see in the pictures this all set up, but you got the railing that goes all the way around. There's a couple windows on each side here that you can pull the shades down. Nice big window right there. And then you can see the kitchen setup, overhead cabinets, air fryer, microwave, 10 cubic foot fridge. We'll pop that open for you real quick. All that blue tape will come off. That's just for sending it here from the factory. They put blue tape in there so those shelves don't move around. Then you got a couple drawers. Down on the bottom here you have your breakers and fuses. Cool looking sink. It's kind of a fancy stainless steel looking sink. High-rise faucet with the glass washer. You put your glass upside down there, push down, and it rinses it out. 2 burners stove top. Got the little lights right there. All your tank checks. Power, light switch, and then there's the remote for the Max Air fan right there. And like I say, there's 2 of those Max Air fans, which is cool. As we're walking around to the bathroom, I'm going to tell you that the gray tank is 44 gallons. The black tank is 44 gallons, and the fresh tank is a whopping 96. So plenty of holding power. Like I say, there's 12-volt heated tank pads there. Foot flush toilet. And it is a porcelain toilet, so easy to keep clean. It's got a little bit of a tub there, not much, just enough. It's bigger than some. I'd say it's about 10 inches. It's got the tub surround, shower surround, I call it. 22 by 14 skylight, and there's the other Max Air fan. Over here you have nice little medicine cabinet, lots of storage. People wonder why there's no doors on here. I'll tell you what, it looks really cool when you take your colored towels and you roll them up and then you stick them out there. They look really cool. Kind of like if you were to stack Twinkies in there, that'd be yummy too. So over here you got your tankless water heater, thermostat, and then again another remote for the fan up there since it's so tall. Now we're going to sneak around to the bedroom. There's storage under the bed, storage, hanging storage on each side. Netted storage up on the top. You got a spot there for your TV if you wanted to put a TV up. And so down here you got 2 drawers. Then you got storage on this side. I'm going to lift this bed up. I could do it one hand because it's got these gas struts. Pretty easy to do. But you can see like there's a nice spot for your shoes. You can leave your slippers here. You could, if you decide to put a generator in, that's where you can hook up the starter. And then like I say, you got the 2 drawers on each side. You got power for whatever you need over here. 110 and USB-C powered hookups. Both sides of the bed. Nice big windows in here too. It's got the pleated shades up underneath here that pull down. So when you want it dark, you pull those down. Ducted heat and ducted air throughout. And then that little deal right there, if you wanted to add a second air conditioner in here, you can, because it is 50 amp service. Last thing I want to go over, the toy hauler area here. When you got the ramp door open, you use the cables if you want it into a patio. Slide these out. You can unroll these, and it's like a screen. It'll Velcro all the way around. It has a zipper in the middle, so basically keeping some of the bugs out. And then I'm going to try to do this with one hand and pull this bed down. But basically, it's pretty easy. There's the bed. So it's got a bumper right there. So I'm going to grab the handle right here. Pull down to one side. Oh yeah, that's easy. Pull down to one side. So I'm going to turn around so I can do it with the same hand. And then you grab this handle and you pull down the bed. Just like that. And now you got a nice big queen bed for sleeping right there. It looks bigger than a queen, but it's nice and big. And there's those rolled up. So there you have it. The 2026 2514 Wolfpack. Great weight, great size, easy half-ton towable. If you have any questions, anything I didn't cover, I think I got everything. It's got vents there, vents there. So when you're going down the road, something with fuel in it, it will air out. Basically get some airflow in here. You open them up going down the road. So come check it out. Thank you for watching. And again, I'm reminding you that we have a very packed parts department, I should say, and a very well done service. These guys are awesome. My service department will help you out to no end. If you're watching this and you have a used camper that needs some service, you can trust these guys. They've been doing it a long time. Even check out our Google reviews. I mean, just can't beat it. I got these in every camper. My card. Come check us out. Thank you.